Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Today is September 14th of 2023 and we just hit 3,000 subscribers. That's unbelievable. I can't even say thank you enough. My first video was honestly September 13th of 2022. So in 1 year, we've gained 3,000 subscribers. And I'm just blown away by that. I would have never thought. I kind of really thought I would only have one, to be honest with you. So what I want to do and what I promised I was going to do is I'm going to give a 2-kit giveaway here. What I'd like you to do is I would like you to post a comment in the video or for this video before September 22nd of 2023. On September 23rd of 2023, I'm going to take all the names of people that posted. I'm going to put them in an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to have Alexa do a random number generator, and whoever's number comes up gets a kit. And I'll do that twice. So don't forget to post a comment down here. And we'll get that off. I've had, like I said, 1 year into this, we've done 12 builds of total builds and a whole bunch of how-tos and tips and tricks videos. But that totaled out to 228,968 views. And I'm wondering if we can get that many for just this video. No, I'm just kidding. But anyhow, what I'd like to do is I'd like to thank you by throwing some music up with a couple of builds, a couple of pictures of builds, and my favorite pictures, and I'll let you go at that. So enjoy the music, enjoy the pictures, enjoy the walk down memory lane with me from 1 year, and I will talk to you later. Thank you very much, and have a great day and a better tomorrow.